everyone! Today I'm going to be playing with this. I hope none of my friends wake up. Okay. So take this controller. Okay, put it. There we go. And then to do it, you have to just launch this button up. I activated something. I think I activated something. Never knew we could do that. Let's try that again. Okay. I think I broke it. Okay, so I turned it off and turned it back on. Wait, ew! This thing is crazy. Oh, it's so pretty. I broke it, I think. Get back up. Oh. No, he's breakdancing. He's freaking out. Oh, I'm sorry, little guy. You're okay. Okay. What happens if I don't ever want to press this button ever again, but what if I press this button? Oh, nice. So I can put it, I could press this button right here. Then we'll just hover on its, oh no. Oh. Okay. Hover on its own. Where is it going? Hello? Hello? Hello, little guy. Do you need help? Looks like you need serious help. No, I feel bad for pressing that button. He's freaking out. I have to turn it off and turn it back on again. I got it. I got him back to normal. Okay, hover up. Okay, little guy. Let's get you out of this room. It's not really that big. Turn off the light. Let's go down the stairs. Look, I'm weird. Why am I talking to myself? From here. That's a Ninja Turtle voice. Hey, little buddy. I shot that. I hit that. I literally hit that. You're making a YouTube video? Yeah. You're allowed to make a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. What? You're on YouTube? Yeah. Okay, no, you're not. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. He's not. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. He's lying. YouTube channel. I am on Nevaeh Little. I'm what? On Nevaeh Little? Yeah. I'm on. That's weird. What? It's dying. It's dead. It's dead. Here, let's see if it can fly. No. What did you have to do with it? It's not flying. This is random kid right here. YouTubers. Yeah. Because I'm Nightmare Freddy. I got it. Nevaeh Little people. Yo, you got them down? Yeah. Quiet on the stairs. No jumping or stomping. What? Yes.
Oh, I need to go charge it. Okay.
No, we have to hit this.
Grab this. And I'm gonna go plug it.
Now Jamie's dead.
Okay, everyone. This is so crazy. Okay, ahoy! Hey, you know what? Don't tell the FNAF guys I was playing with that thing.